Morning, everybody. My name is Sergey. I'm the president of Architectural Mall. We are doing a walkthrough today of our showroom to tell you guys a little bit about all the products that we offer, or most of the products, I should say. We're going to elaborate further down the road with more videos explaining each individual product in great depth, so stay tuned. Let's start the tour. We're going to start right here in our first room of the showroom, which is where we have our light cast product, which is a hybrid GFRC and cast stone. You can see it has the EPS foam in it. This product is phenomenal. It is naturally fire rated because it is a concrete base. It's half the weight of concrete, cast stone, limestone, etc. because of that foam core, and it's twice as strong. That product we offer our fireplace surrounds, our overmantels, corbels, decorative pieces, window and door surrounds like you can see right here and right here. Baseboards, we offer ceiling elements in that product, virtually endless possibilities. We continue this way and we get into our main showroom where we have our polyurethane balustrades, we have our polymer stone balustrades, we have our aluminum railings. The polymer stone balustrades are available also in fiberglass. We have our FRP balusters back here, where it is the same product as the fiberglass cornice, pedestals, different architectural accents. We're launching a new product we're very excited for. This is our PVC Royal Guard system that has Chippendale panels, that has square pickets, polyurethane posts. We have various accents for roof. We have corbels and brackets. We continue this way. We have the fiberglass cornice you could see throughout the entire showroom. We have decorative capitals that are available in GFRC, GRG, fiberglass, polymer stone, FRP, polyurethane. We continue this way. Again, you could see more of our fiberglass corbels and accents. We do aluminum columns. This is cast fiberglass columns. We do wood columns, mainly for interior. Continue this way. This is GFRC again. We also do PVC. PVC is a great product. PVC column covers, square, tapered, non-tapered with an entasis taper. We do pedestals, we do different types of moldings, we do flat boards, flat sheets, different types of trim. We also have PVC shutters, we have vinyl shutters, we have the faux wood polyurethane shutters. We continue this way. You could see our R&D and marketing department. We are happy to launch a lot of different accents, lions, heads, pineapples. All of this is going to be out soon, so stay tuned. And like I said, as we continue on, we are going to be making more videos so you know what Architectural Mall does, what we provide. Unfortunately, we can't showcase everything here. Cupolas, lanterns, fiberglass domes, both interior and exterior. Those are massive. If you've been following our channel, you've seen the installation that we did outside the building that shows the rotundas, that also has the dome inside and out. So stay tuned. We're going to dive in to each individual product and the materials that that product is available in.